Okay, and another box will be opened again.
Bumili na naman, pasensya o kaban.
Welcome back everyone. So for today, ang bubuksan natin is isa namang Charizard keychain blind box na simplified Chinese yung mga cards. So we got this when we visited ko nung kinuha natin yung ating Pokemon ZA. This is my first time actually getting one. I think may tatlong variant nito. Merong Gengar and Eevee, but yung Charizard yung napili natin. And upon checking, there are like 13 cards daw dapat to. 13 na possible mong makuhang keychain. And dun Google Translate ko, apparently si Pikachu yung rare. And yeah, personally, I really like yung Charizard of course, and Zekrom. Yun. So lang yung natin. Sana makakuha tayo. So, and it has actually one jumbo pack. So when we say jumbo, hindi siya yung malaking card. It's basically a pack with 25 cards inside. So, if tama yung tanda ko, ang kwento sa akin, Brave Star daw yung booster pack na naman ito. So, without further delay, let's start opening this one. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go! And this, nagamit naman tayo ng cutter. Kasi, dapat maingat tayo. Ooh. Ooh. Yes! Okay, let's open. Ooh. Ano kaya ang nakuha natin? Oops! Good! Okay na rin. Okay na rin. No hate there. Ooh, ganda oh. Wait. May cover ba to? Naka-cover nga. Sorry. So, yun no. Man. Parang ayoko tanggalin sa plastic. Ang ganda no. Sobrang ganda ng detail. Okay, we'll put that there. Ang ano to card to? Tabi muna natin yan. And we have here yung para sa keeping niya. So, meron siyang kasamang ito, dito mo ilalagay yung card. Nice. Hindi ko siya ilalagay, actually. Ang plano ko dito, ibang card yung ilalagay ko kasi pupunta sa PC ko to. So, yeah. Hindi ko siya magamit now, pero ang ganda niya, guys. So, yun. And let's move dun sa pack na kasama niya. So, ito yung Brave Star. Ang kapal niya, guys. Sana all. So, ayun pala, may kasamang pang lanyard or, yeah, yung tali for this. Tabi muna natin to. And we will open our Brave Star pack. Yan. Yan natin kung anong laman nito. Tabi muna natin to. Tabi natin kaya na. Surlage. Let's go. Okay. So, sabi nila, may guaranteed hit na daw to. Which is nice. Tagtuyot talaga tayo. Sobrang tagal na. So, let's start. First card, Bidoof. Nice.
It's Pikachu!
Ooh, Raichu na V. Ooh, Arceus. Nice. Ganda ng hit. Nice. Mamaya sleeves natin yan. So far guys, sulit. Ang ganda nung nakuha natin cards. And on top of that, Octagon syempre. So we have this one. So I guess that's it. Thanks everyone. Nice.